how to add or remove the task panel to the edge panels on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we scroll down and tap on display. Then scroll down again and tap on edge panels. From here, tap on panels. Then at the top, swipe across and look for the task panel. In here, we tap on the checkbox to select it. If you want to remove it from the edge panel, you can then deselect the checkbox and that will be removed from your edge panels here. And that's it. So once it is added, you have the task panel in here. Now if you go down to the bottom and tap on the edit button, in here you can add in additional shortcuts or tasks to the edge panels. So here I'll tap on that and I'll add it to the list. So you can add in recently, view files, note, and make calls. So we can add in make call to a particular contact. And that's it. Here we can now simply make a call by simply tapping on the shortcut, for example. And that is task on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video.